Hello, I'm Matt Brosnan. I'm the Head Curator at London Transport Museum, and we're really delighted and excited to be able to welcome visitors back to our museum. Obviously, we have a really safe offer where people can have time tickets, book in advance, go around a designated visitor route in a socially distanced way. We also have enhanced cleaning and sanitisation stations everywhere you look. So it's a really sort of safe environment, and we really want people to explore lots of exciting new features we have in the galleries, from the London's Transport at War Gallery, which is newly opened and has fantastic interactives, including physical interactives, especially for younger visitors and children, through to our Hidden London exhibition that won awards recently and is a really immersive, experiential, atmospheric exhibition that explores the history of disused tube stations on the Underground network. We also have London's very first rainbow crossing that's just to my side here, where people can actually see the first rainbow crossing to celebrate LGBT communities in London back in 2014. And we have new touchscreens exploring the history and development of many of our key vehicles on display, from route masters to black taxis and trolley buses and trams. And we also have fantastic new updated and refreshed all aboard offer for children to really explore and interact with hands-on vehicles and buses and things that they can play with and really engage themselves in the subject matter. So it's a wonderful opportunity to come and see the museum in a slightly more spaced out fashion than normal and avoid the queues. And it's a really lovely atmosphere here today, with lots of young families visiting and really getting interested in the history of London's transport, right from Victorian times in the 19th century through to the future of London in 2030, which is actually marked with a new display that works with Central St Martin's, the art school, looking at the future environmental sustainability of London as a city. Also at London Transport Museum, we have a fantastic retail offer in our shop, where you can buy everything from a maquette face covering like I'm wearing, through to fantastic books and posters and all manner of interesting items. And our cafe is also open as well, offering obviously hot and cold drinks and meals in a lovely location in Covent Garden. And it's a lovely atmosphere here today. Lots of families, lots of children enjoying themselves, and it's really fantastic to welcome them back.